happy birthday, ate! Sana masaya ka sa pagbati ng iyong mga pamangkin at ng ating mga kapatid. And syempre ni tatay, happy birthday sa'yo. So ginawa ko talaga yung video na to. Char, ginawa ko. Syempre nagbuo kami ng video para sa'yo. Happy birthday. Gusto namin maramdaman mo na kahit malayo ka, mahal na mahal ka ng mga pamangkin mo at ng ating mga kapatid. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng pagtulong mo kina tatay and sa ating mga kapatid. Siyempre, lalo na sa ating mga pamangkin, sa anak ko. Love na love ka namin, te. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, mag-ingat ka palagi. Isa lang wish ko, magka-boyfriend ka na and more birthdays to come. We love you.
Hello everyone, it's me Kuya Pards and gusto ko lang babatiin ng happy birthday si Sis Joyce 8886 vlog ng happy birthday because today is her birthday and Sis Joyce vlog, thank you so much for being part of our Team Kulkog and also thank you to our big host Idol Bro, Mr. Game Vlog TV because he's the one who bring you to our Team Kulkog. Thank you so much. So hindi man tayo lubusang magkakilala pero I know na feel ko that you are a good person, you are a good woman. Kasi I have been following you, I'm seeing you in the group, in the GC, solid team support and Team Kulkog, and nakikita kita sa mga premieres and then through watching your videos, seeing your videos, di man kita ganun kakilala personally pero na-feel ko the kind of person you are. You're a good person and then it's my pleasure na somehow nakilala kita through Mr. Game Vlog TV and through our GCs. So maraming salamat for the friendship though, and yun nga, that's my prayer and greetings to you. Happy birthday, and praying that you will have more birthdays to come, more beautiful years, more blissful years to come in your life, and we are just here for you, as not just as friends but as families, and continue to continue your vlog, continue creating content, and that will help other people in a way that you are inspiring them to go on with life, to continue with life, because I know life is not that easy. But always remember that God is always good and God is making everything possible. It might be difficult, but everything is possible through God. So God bless to you always. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. And it's me, Kuya Pards, greeting you a happy birthday.
So ayan, good morning. Ayan, Joyce, unang-una sa lahat, binabati kita ng happy birthday. So ayan, ngayong araw na to ay yung karawan. Sana bongga ang yung karawan ngayon sa celebrating ng yung birthday. Ayan, wish you all the best in your birthday and more birthdays to come. Stay safe and God bless. So ayan, alam kong isa kang napakabait na babae. So ayan, thank you so much for being my teammate. And papasalamat na rin ako sa iyong kabaitan, very supportive sa team at sa mga iba pang members natin na nandun ka, nakasupport. So ayan, thank you so much Zoe, and muli pinabati kita ng happy birthday. At ayan, mag-iingat ka palagi dyan, and God bless. Greetings you from admin from United Arab and Emirates. Bye bye.
Ayan, good morning all over the world. Ayan, gusto ko lang babatiin ang happy birthday na si Joyce Vlog. Ayan, thank you so much being part of YT World. Ayan, and very supportive dahil birthday mo ngayon. Ikaw na ang pinakamaganda at the best sexy sa YT World na kasilala ko. And thank you so much. This is Miss Annalisa Channel na nagbabati sa'yo bilang happy birthday and more blessings to come. God bless you all.
Hi Joyce, gusto lang itang batiin ng happy birthday. It's your special day today. Miyaso 12 here, bago mong kaibigan from Team Buddies. Wish ko lang sa'yo is first, more blessings to come. Siyempre, kailangan natin yan. Who wouldn't want it, diba? Second is happiness and contentment sa buhay natin. Siyempre, always be happy, always be content sa lahat ng nangyayari sa atin. And third is good health. Kailangan natin yan for our daily lives. Hindi lang sa'yo, pati na rin sa buong family mo. Once again, Nias 12 here, wishing you a happy birthday. See ya.
Welcome to my channel. Charot. May babatiin na ako dahil special day niya ngayon. Happy birthday, my friendship, Joyce 886 na na-meet ko sa mundo ng YT World. Dahil kay Chrissy 813, nagiging friends na rin kita. Nung kinder pa lang yung channel ko, nagpapasalamat ako na lagi kayong nagsusupport sa channel ko. Ngayon, nagli-level up na. Grade 7. Malapit na maging grade 7. Kaya masaya ako na andyan kayo lagi. Happy birthday, Joyce 886. And more blessing, more friendship. And we love you. Thank you so much. And good luck. God bless. Bye-bye. We love you. Mama. Bye-bye.